what you got.
Rolling through the neighborhood, feeling good. Already know that we should. Picked up the mic and picked up the wood. Yeah, cause I'm rolling through my neighborhood. Rolling through the neighborhood, feeling good. Already know that we should. Picked up the mic and picked up the wood. Yeah, cause I'm rolling through my neighborhood. Rolling through the neighborhood, feeling good. Already know that we should. Picked up the mic and picked up the wood. Yeah, cause I'm rolling through my neighborhood. Bitch, I'm back in this thing, it's part 2. Hanging out on the block with my whole crew. Sipping drink and we smoking some good. Coming through the neighborhood, already know we feeling good. Like we should, cold like ice. Rolling that dice in the fucking hood, doing it nice. Yeah, I'm hanging with my homies, smoking on the bud. Getting the shots done, cause they all talking shit. Get them done quick. I done hanged out, shot the whole pistol. Not ready, but I'm tighter than a missile. Been in this rap shit for some time, but it's now the time I show my rhyme. Coming up down the block, it's like crime. Way I do this shit, it's so divine. Rolling through the neighborhood, feeling good. Already know that we should. Picked up the mic and picked up the wood. Yeah, cause I'm rolling through my neighborhood. Rolling through the neighborhood, feeling good. Already know that we should. Picked up the mic and picked up the wood. Yeah, cause I'm rolling through my neighborhood. Rolling through the neighborhood, feeling good. Already know that we should. Picked up the mic and picked up the wood. Yeah, cause I'm rolling through my neighborhood. These people don't know this real rap. They ain't down, they ain't been in the trap. You know I hit the block and I'm looking fine. Yeah, it's time to show my whole dime. The way I deliver this flow. If you didn't know, now you know. Feel like Biggie way I make these hits. Yeah, I'm too legit and these people ain't shit. Yeah, I'm hanging out with Trap House Smokey. Got the pistol out the window and it's poking out the window, playing that Super Nintendo. And I'm feeling myself, yo. Getting a little bit tipsy, and I'm with it. So bitch, get with me, cause you know I keep that stuff on my side. If you keep on playing, yeah, my homies down to ride all the time. Rolling through the neighborhood, feeling good. Already know that we should. Picked up the mic and picked up the wood. Yeah, cause I'm rolling through my neighborhood. Rolling through the neighborhood, feeling good. Already know that we should. Picked up the mic and picked up the wood. Yeah, cause I'm rolling through my neighborhood. Rolling through the neighborhood, feeling good. Already know that we should. Picked up the mic and picked up the wood. Yeah, cause I'm rolling through my neighborhood.
Yeah, this ain't a chronic, this ain't a motherfucking game, yeah. I'ma just keep playing these hoes like it's a motherfucking game. Cruising down the low riders through the motherfucking west coast. It's a hobby, and if you can't respect that, then nigga, I'ma just go jump your ass like a motherfucking train. Hey, shout out to Lil J Train and all the homies, yeah. Playing these games, playing these rhymes like it's a motherfucking hobby. I be rhyming the lyrics like it's a poetry, nigga, I don't give a fuck. And if you keep playing with me, I'ma just go fuck you up.